Hello, welcome to Mama and Vlogs. Today's video will cook tuna jaw. And I used this all ingredient number 1 is onion, ginger and tomato. And I will show you how I cook tuna jaw soup. And this is very delicious. And I put cooking oil first, because first then I sauteed this tuna jaw, garlic and ginger. I put also tomato and whole black pepper. Salt to taste. And I will add 5 cups of water. I put lemongrass. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put also cube. Hello, are you there? And I put also peke and spring onion, 1 pcs long green pepper, Thank you for watching.